Hey, want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?
There's no tape.
Go back over there.
There's no tape. What do you want us to see? You already got him in custody.
I want you to back up.
You want me to or you're telling me to?
Ma'am, I'm telling you to
Her
back up.
voice is a crime.
2 steps is going to make a difference for you. There's no guns out. You guys are the only ones with the guns. There's no more tape. There's tape is down.
I'll put it back up.
Okay, put it back up.
All right, go ahead.
Put it back up.
I will. Keep on walking back.
When you have the tape,
Keep on walking back. Keep on walking
Are you
back.
asking me or telling me?
I'm telling you. Back
Oh my
up.
God.
You got him in custody already.
Back
That's
up.
what it's for.
Back up.
Does he feel
Back
hurt?
up,
Back
Karen.
Back up. Back up.
Yeah.
Back up.
Mind your business.
I am minding my
I
business.
am
My
here.
daughter's a cop,
Okay,
okay?
so and?
Listen to him.
So I'm here to film to make sure nobody gets hurt. Mind
Ain't
your
nobody
business.
getting
Don't
hurt.
be screaming in my face. Mind your
Get the
business.
fuck out of my face, bitch.
You came in my camera.
Ah.
No, your camera came to me. Get the fuck out of my face.
Yeah, Jodie has a knack of pissing off people.
You're gonna be in big trouble. You don't
What are you gonna do to me?
What are you gonna do to a woman? You're gonna hit me?
I didn't
Oh,
touch
You
you.
hit my
see?
camera.
Put your camera in my face.
No, you touched
Yeah,
my camera.
Jodie's
I
a
can put
baiter.
my camera wherever I want. It's the
And I
First
can
Amendment
smack that
protector.
shit the fuck out
No,
your
you
face.
can't, because
Yes,
you
I
will be
can.
in
What
jail.
are you gonna do to me? You put me in jail? My daughter's a cop,
Oh,
okay?
and? What does that mean?
She's
Your
one of
daughter's a
them,
cop?
right?
Okay, and? What does that mean to
You're
me?
getting all in their face and shit.
And?
They're doing their job.
They've
What
killed
the
people
fuck are you?
before for less.
I don't give
Yeah.
a fuck.
Get a job, Jodie.
My daughter's one of them,
I
right?
don't give a fuck what your daughter is.
Put that camera in my face again. I'll smack that shit. Your
Oh,
fucking hand.
wow. What a big man. Big man stopping us. Does your daughter have the same kind of energy as you? Yeah, you see this man trying to slap me? He already hit my camera.
Wow.
He did slap my camera. Oh, so you're not going to do shit about that, huh? He slapped me with this camera. You didn't see that shit, huh, deputy? Oh, that's rude, huh? You guys don't do shit with someone.
better manners.
You need better manners.
Yeah. God, that voice is so damn annoying, isn't it?